Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix action block error in Instagram. If you want to solve this error, you have to watch this video completed. So to solve this error you have to go to profile. After that you have to click on three lines. In three lines you have to click on settings. In settings you have to click on help. In help you will find options. If you are an iPhone user or iOS user, then you will find other option instead of these option. If you are Android user, then you can follow the same procedure and you will find report a problem. If you click on report a problem, then there will be a window opened where you can explain your problem to Instagram team so that they can solve it for you. Moreover, you can also take a screenshot of it from the problem so that Instagram team can help you in a better way. After that, you can click on submit and Instagram team will solve this error for you. If this doesn't work, as it takes more than a week to solve, if you want to solve this error, for this you have to go to settings. In settings you have to go to apps. In apps you have to go to Instagram and open your Instagram app. It takes some time. After the Instagram have opened, you can easily find storage app option by opening your Instagram app. As you can see in the video, if you click on Instagram app, then here you will find storage option. In iPhone you will find offload app, and in Android you have to clear your cache. Same option is in iPhone as offload app. You have to do the same. After that you have to open your Instagram app again. Hope this will fix your Instagram action blocked error. If the problem occurs again and again, then what you have to do is you have to uninstall your Instagram and reinstall it so that this problem can be solved by an updated version of Instagram. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.